come and subscribe. Guys, after they go through Melissa, they have to enjoy themselves. This is after Hurricane Melissa, showing that the children still can enjoy themselves although Melissa passed by. Guys, welcome to Fun Day 2025 December edition at the Ewarton Primary School, guys. Come on, every year we always did this, yeah, and this is the December edition. Come on, children enjoying themselves before they close out for the Christmas season. Guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Just go and enjoy this video, guys. Yeah, man, we know Ewarton Primary, as we say all the time, is one of the number one school. Yeah, man. So this is what they do, you know. Most here, over here at least, yeah, before they close out for the Christmas season, let the children enjoy themselves. Yeah, so guys, go and watch and enjoy and keep blessed. As I've been saying all the time, Ewarton Primary School is the number one primary school in St. Catherine, and no one can beat that. Number one. This primary school is like a high school. Come on, and everyone can attest to that.